No. So no, I'm still not able to do it with this application. All right, so I know that you all are seeing me. So I just spoke about supply chain. Now I'm going to talk about supply chain management. So supply chain management is really yes, it involves managing your supply chain. Yes, makes a lot of sense, but it's a bit more than that. Supply chain management promotes the integration of the different elements or the integration of the different links. With me on that? So you might have distribution and the warehouse and manufacturing, but they can be operating in silos. In other words, they can be doing their own thing. In other words, each party might be doing something that the other party is not aware of. In other words, if there's demand in the retail outlet, if there's an increase in demand in the retail outlet, the distributor will not be aware of it, and the manufacturer will not be aware of it. That is where supply chain management comes in. Supply chain management involves the integration of the different links within the supply chain. Are you understanding that? I'm saying that supply chain management involves the integration. So when I say integration, what am I speaking about? When I say integration, I'm actually talking about communicating. That's what it is. So there's a high level of communication between the distributor, the retailer, the manufacturer, and even the customer. So in case of Amazon, for example, Amazon has an integrated or integrative supply chain. So it's definitely supply chain management happening there. So the customer, if I buy something from Amazon, if I buy a product from Amazon, or if there's an increase in the sales of a product from Amazon, the distributors will be aware of it and they will respond. Right? The manufacturers as well will also respond, and they will basically they will ensure that demand is fulfilled. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Are you all clear on that? So supply chain management involves the integration or the collaboration or the communication of all the different links, whether it could be manufacturing, it could be the supplier, all of the different players that we spoke about, they're communicating with each other. All right, so the supplier knows when the outage is, right? Engineering knows, the supply chain manager knows that that engineering needs the raw material or needs the spare parts tomorrow. We know, right? Because we're working together and we communicating, and we have software to assist us. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3.